my kung fu, my ninja skills.
I can believe and I can want to achieve, but there are a lot of steps between A and Z.
My poetic tool belt is my word of light. I read and write. The two go together like
Day and night.
I was in the middle of the Indians' camp. Oh, and their faces just looking down at me. And as I looked up at these people, I thought these were the darkest Indians that I had ever seen. Their lips, their noses looked a lot like the slaves that I had been raised with on the plantation when I was younger. And then I remembered stories that my father told me. Once upon a time, there was a lion whose teeth were so sharp, whose claws were so long, and whose roar was so loud. Let me hear you guys roar. 1, 2, 3. And one day the lion stretched and fell asleep just like that. With his arm laid out and his hand wide open, the lion fell sound. And while the lion was lying there, along came the other animal in our story. A little gray animal with a long curly tail, long whiskers, loves to eat cheese. It was the... Yeah.
How am I going to play baseball? Get a glove, put it on your left hand, catch the ball, roll it over on me, take a ball and throw it. Fine, Mr. T, I'll get a baseball glove, put it on my left hand, catch the ball, roll it over on you, take a ball and throw it.
There was a man named Martin Luther King. He took a stand. He didn't bargain. He demanded everything. There was a man named Martin Luther King.
The sun does not come up and go down. We spin into the light and we spin into the dark. I want biodiversity. We need rainforest medicine. We need corals in the sea. Ready? When I pulse, you go, ooh-ah. Go ahead, ready? Ooh-ah. Yeah.
I hope it's not too hot. I have found how to compute the volume of an irregular object.
Excellent, sir! How have you done it?
Well, as I was taking my bath, I realized that as I lowered myself into the water, the level of the water would rise.
Ah, yes, but that happens to everyone, sir!
But I took the time to wonder why.
Soy del Cantón de Ozuloama, Estado de Veracruz, República Mexicana. Here we go!